Salam friendships! So it's been a long time since I last uploaded a video because I've been very busy for the past few weeks. So kaya ngayon, I'm trying my best to get back on track and reach my goal, which is to be able to upload 365 videos this 2025. And since summer is approaching, might as well na una kong i-upload yung mga summer destinations na pinuntahan namin with the family. So this is our 100 Islands and Baguio trip. During this time, wala akong mahanap na accommodation kasi weekend. But fortunately, I found Balay Azul. Medyo papasok yung place nila and malayo sa pinaka-center. But if island hopping sa 100 islands naman talaga ang peg nyo, okay na okay dito kasi nag-o-offer din naman sila ng island hopping tour and mas malapit dito sa mga islands na pupuntahan. Plus, ang ganda ng view. Since it's beachfront, nakaka-relax talaga. So, dito nga pala yung entrance papunta dun sa mga accommodation. Isa pa sa mga advantages is ang lapit lang ng parking area, as in front lang ng accommodation. So, ito nga pala yung area and ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong view. Side part itong nakikita nyo, but pwede naman kayong pumunta dito to chill. We rented 2 nipa huts, 5,000 per hut, and each hut can accommodate 7 to 8 people. I'm not sure if nag-increase na sila kasi this was last year pa. You may contact Sir Eric Linghap sa FB for inquiries. The place is not hard to locate naman. Just pin Bolo 1 Telbang and from there, Kuya Eric will guide you. So that's it, friendships. Follow for part 2.